I'm back, and I brought this Prince of Persia 2 Throne series. I already opened the label. Oh, these are the things are here. Let's put it here. It was in my last vlog. So hello guys. So now we'll unbox it. Wow. Wow. Shit. This is the some bubble. Let's take out if it is here. Oh wait, there is some plastics are here. Let's take it out with my knife. I took it out. Now let's unbox it. Oh wait. Why isn't it opening? Shit. I thought this will open so easily. Like the Prince of Persia since it's opening. Oh, shit. Is it for real? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. What the hell? Prince of Persia 2 Thrones. And this activation code and menu. Afterwards, I will see if it is working or not. Really awesome new cover. See the screenshots. Oh, this man, I have already defeated it in my old Prince of Persia CD. And this also, Twin Brothers. So it is good, and I'll see if it is working or not. So I got it from Flipkart, and bye bye. Next time I'll make another vlog.